Okay.
Tell me the number.
Say the number.
5,777.
Okay.
Ask any number, sir. They will arrange.
Okay. 3025. 3025.
3025.
What is hundreds plus 3025? How many hundreds are there? No hundreds. No hundreds means zero hundreds. 25. 25. Okay? Right.